stock number 41465B. It's a 2020 Q3. You see the front bumper's no good, the headlights no good, the hood looks good. The grille, no good. The radiator core support is bent. The radiator's damaged a little bit. Back door looks good. Passenger door looks good. Quarter panel looks good. Tail light looks good. Rear bumper looks good. Deck lid looks good. That tail light looks good. It's a dent in the back door. Front door. Side view mirror, front fender's no good. It does have a key, it does not start. Seatbelt's good. Does not have a backup camera. It's the passenger side view mirror. It does have a sunroof. You see the seat belt's good. This is stock number 41465B. It's a 2020 Q3. It does have a key. It does not start. (2020) Audi Q3.